Hello, this is Tibor from Boomla. Let's see how to create hover states in the Boomla Visual Designer. I'm opening the designer and I'm going to select this image and then change the class that is going to be applied to every image. Now, to create a hover state, we have to add the hover keyword here, which is a selector. So this state or these styles will only be applied when the element is hovered. So to make it clear, let's go for maybe transform and allow it and scale the image up a little bit. And maybe, yeah, that's enough. So basically when I hover the element, this transformation will be applied. Obviously you could use any style here that you can find in the designer. Now, where does this hover come from? Let's open the documentation on states. There you go. And you can find there is hover. This is an interaction selector. If you use this hover selector, then basically when you hover the mouse, that's applied. There are a few others like focus, active, and visited as well that you may want to look into. So you can apply some other styles as well. Let's go a little bit further to make it a little bit more good looking. And we may want to apply transitions as well. So let's go for transitions and allow all transitions for a duration of 150 and use ease in outs. And that way, when you hover the element, there will be this beautiful transition. But the problem is, as you can see, the transition is applied when you hover the mouse, but once you move the mouse outside it, so you stop hovering, it jumps back. So there is no transition in both ways. It would be nicer to have it. The reason is because the hover styles are only applied while the element is hovered, and obviously when you stop hovering, the transition will not be applied as the hover state is not active anymore. So this is not the right place to add the transition. So let me remove these here and put the transition on the base style, because in this case, both for the in and the out, the transition will be applied. So let's go for transition, property all, duration 150, timing ease in out. And now, as you can see, the transition is applied in both cases. That's how easy it is to create hover effects.